While dealing with the fun with bathroom fans replacement, our master bathroom is small and tiny, and getting the ladder in there was a pain, and moving it around ran into the back of the radio, and that managed to break off the door that I had fixed on the little radio in there. So the way this is supposed to work, there's a little hole there, a little hole there, and this is supposed to go in the little notch, and it originally had two plastic knobs. Well, this one had broken off, and I had to add a piece of nail or something down in there to fix that one. And of course, this time I broke the other side of the plastic off, so now I have to add another piece of nail in this one and trying to get that one in place such that it holds the little door closed. So that should be fun. Shouldn't hopefully be too hard, as long as I remember what I did last time, but it should be fun. So first I try and drill out a hole with the nail. The drill bit was skating around, so I decided to get the torch, heat up the nail, and melt a little hole so I can get the drill bit to go in. So once I got that sorted, then the drill would work. Then I realized I need to hold it better in the vise, so I moved it over so it was more secure. Drilled out, made sure the knife, or I should say, make sure the nail was cold enough to go in without melting itself in. Then it's perfect. So once it's deep enough, put the torch back, get it ready to go, put it in, slide it over so it comes out, and once that all works, get the super glue, or put some tape under it first so that if the super glue goes down under, it doesn't stick to the whole thing, and then spray it, test it, spray a little more to make sure it's all secure. That's all good. And just like that, it's fixed. So I used a little wire brad. I used the 16th inch drill bit. Well, first I used the torch to heat it up so I could get it in the right spot, because the drill bit was skating all over. Heated it up a little bit, drilled out the hole, put the hole screw in, closed it, used the blade to scoot it out so it stuck over, used some gel super glue, and that worked. And because I put folded over packing tape underneath, even if the super glue had gone down out, even though it was gel, it would have just stuck to the tape versus the body of the radio. Ta-da! Little door is fixed. Wife will be happy.